Hi everyone! My name is Lodge, your life planner from Leaf Financials. Huwag ka nang kumuha ng VUL. Huwag mo na rin ituloy yung pagbabayad niyan sakaling naumpisahan mo na. Iyan ang pwede mong marinig from those who are really not into VUL. Ano ba yung VUL? Variable Unit Link. It's a kind of life insurance that has investment component. Now, kung ayaw mo talaga ng VUL, that's fine because there are actually other options. That is what we call the traditional life insurance. And these are being offered by life insurance companies that are regulated by the government. So, legit ang VUL at traditional plans. Mamimili ka lang kung ano yung fitted or swak para sa'yo. Parang kung gusto mong kumain, gusto mong magkamay, gusto mong mag-chopsticks, magkutsara at tinidor, makakakain ka. Pero mamimili ka kung anong gusto mong way kung paano ka kumain, 'di ba? But it will still serve your purpose. So, mamili ka lang what will be best for you. Ngayon, going back to traditional, most of the Filipino would know na parang ang traditional, it's a purely life insurance that has no capacity to accumulate wealth. That is a big no-no. Bakit? There are so many options of traditional plans. One of my personal favorite is the endowment. Hindi siya endown. Wala siyang letter N. Endowment means funding, provision, or subsidizing. Bakit ka ba kukuha ng endowment? Para masubsidize o mapaghandaan mo yung funding mo either for retirement, for your business capitalization, or maybe for the education of your kids. Ngayon, ano ba ang pwede kong i-recommend sa'yo na best na endowment? I'd like to introduce to you A+ signature that is being offered by the #1 life insurance company for the longest time, no? In three major categories. Kasi parang beauty contest yung mga life insurance company, no? Nagpapaligsahan, healthy competition, and nananalo sila into different categories. And we're very proud to say na for the longest time, ang AIA and American International Assurance, formerly known as VUL, has been #1 in three major categories. And I'd like to highlight yung pagiging top or #1 in net worth. Kasi pag net worth, ibig sabihin, yung income less expenses, tapos sila pa rin, yung AIA pa rin, may pinakamalaking net worth. So, ibig sabihin nun, solid ang financial muscle ng company. And syempre, kung mamimili ka ng either for savings, investment, or life insurance, you will choose a kind of company that is solid in terms of asset, in terms of net worth, and in terms of financial muscle. So going back to A+ signature, bakit mo gugustuhin ng A+ signature? Because it gives you guaranteed money back. Ko kayo sinisigaw. Pero na-excite ako kasi guys, na parang akala mo VUL lang yung option na available. Meron pa palang option na meron kang life insurance na guaranteed, pero nag-accumulate yung fund mo. Yun na nga, yung A+ signature, kailangan ko pa ulit-ulitin yan, no? So, what's in it for you when you get A+ signature? #1, yung tinatawag natin na debt coverage. And it is guaranteed. Ngayon, kung ang debt coverage mo, or also known as face amount, is 2 million, if in the times na you are already taken out of the picture, kunwari parent ka, kinuwanan mo yung anak mo, tapos you are already taken out of the picture, your beneficiary, your chosen beneficiary, either spouse, your parents, or your kids, will get the guaranteed benefit, that benefit. Pero ang maganda sa A+ signature, we will not only give you 100%, not also 150%, but 200% equivalent of your face amount. So kung ang face amount ng death benefit mo is 2 million, ang ibibigay ng company is 4 million. Pero ay naman natin yun, 'di ba? Although it will definitely going to happen kasi lahat naman tayo matitek. Hindi lang natin alam kung kailan. So, that's the #1. #2, it gives. The A+ signature gives a guaranteed money back. Yung kanina ko pa pinaulit-ulit. Ano yung basis nun? Ang basis nun is the face amount. So, again, kung ang face amount is 2 million, ang multiplier is 10%. So, kailan mo naman makukuha yung face amount mo, guaranteed na tinatawag natin na cashback. Makukuha mo to starting at the end of the 6th year of your policy year, no? 6th year, starting out at the end of the 6th year, parang on the 7th year na rin in a way, no? So, on the 7th year of your policy na nagbabayad ka, every other years or every 2 years, you will get guaranteed money back. No, again, kung ang face amount mo is 2 million times 10%, 200,000 every 2 years ang guaranteed mo, lifetime siya, girl. So ibig sabihin dun pa lang, parang kung gusto mo talaga na meron kang makukuha na in a way you can treat as your pension or retirement fund, whether as a single person katulad ka, or kung ikaw ay married person, may mga anak ka, 'di ba, na ayaw mong umasa at gawing retirement yung mga anak mo, this is the best for you, 'di ba? Another thing, etong A+ signature will give you optional rider. Bakit optional? Hindi ka pupwersahin na mag-add-on ng mga other benefits, no? Ano yung mga optional rider na meron tayo? TPD, Total Permanent Disability, wherein kapag si client na baldado hindi na makapag-create ng income, the company will give guaranteed fund. Another thing is what we call the payer benefit. Ano payer benefit, payer term benefit? Itong payer term benefit, bagay ito sa mga kukuha na parents, no, or at kukuha na nila yung minor, 'di ba? Either pamangkin nila or mga anak nila. So pag kinuhanan nila, and kunwari sila yung nagbabayad and they are already taken out of the picture na nategi, ganyan, sino magbabayad at magkukontinue ng pagbabayad ng premium? Yun ang role ng payer term benefit, no? Another optional rider is what we call payers benefit for death and disability, na in times of disability, no, hindi ka na makapagbayad dahil nga nabaldado na, itong coverage na to will sustain the policy. Now, another good thing, kanina may guaranteed benefit, pangalawa may guaranteed cash payout, 'di ba? Ito yung pangatlo, girl. Kung talagang ayaw mo ng VUL, again, that's fine. Pero gusto mo ng merong additional source of income, this is it for you. Kasi meron siyang unguaranteed dividends. Unguaranteed dividends, kasi siguro nagtatanong ka, paano, saan kukunin ng AIA yung ibibigay sa akin na guaranteed money back? Saan nila kukunin yun? Basically, our funds na binabayad natin will be invested in fixed income securities such as money market or bonds, yung corporate bonds or government bonds. And every time na nag-earn yun, meron pwedeng may portion na ibibigay yung AIA, yung company, as dividends. And that is why it is unguaranteed. So doon nanggagaling yung parang isopag mo sila. Doon nanggagaling yung cash dividends, 'di ba? Yung money back, 'di ba? So, sino yung nagma-manage? Bakit kaya niyang paluguin? Syempre, the one who will be managing your fund aside from the AIA Investment Management, which is, ang head office is in the Hong Kong, but the one who will be manage this fund, yung fixed income asset ng AIA, is actually the BlackRock. And if you're not familiar about BlackRock, ladies and gentlemen, it is not only number one in Asia, across Asia, but worldwide in terms of asset management. Ibig sabihin, the one who will be managing our fund is an expert. They know how to manage our fund well. Okay? So, ito na nga. Bago ako magtapos, ito yung mga tip ko sa'yo. Pag nagbayad ka at pumili ka ng AIA Plus, piliin mo annualize. Bakit? Kasi mas discounted. No? Yun yung wala sa VUL, diba? Kasi fixed na yun, diba? Again, I have nothing against VUL kasi ako meron din akong sariling VUL. Bayad na nga, diba? Maganda talaga siya. But, yun yung to compare, ito yung competitive advantage na when you choose annualized pay, in a way discounted siya, no? And ano pa ba yung pwede nating sabihin sa ano? So yun yung aking tip sa inyo. But if you wanted to know more about A plus signature, other options that you have. Kasi you can position the A plus signature not only for your personal retirement funding or for the funding of for the educational funding of your kids, but you can actually position this as your retirement fund for your employees. No, kung lalo na kung meron kang company tapos or kaya HR ka or general manager ka ng company, you can actually invite us to explore this product. We actually offer 27 options na plans, no? Yun ang maganda kay AIA. Dahil matagal na insurance company sa Philippines, marami na ring plans na pwedeng i-offer sa atin. So if you wanted to know more about your options and you wanted to have free financial planning, wealth management seminar for your school or companies, organizations, or institution, you can invite me for free via Zoom or face-to-face. Tingnan lang natin, sana mag-match yung schedule. But nevertheless, I'd like to introduce to you our Lift Financial team. This is our core values here. Sana ba? Here are our core values. Love for God, excellent customer service, accountability, and team malasakit, and productivity and personal growth. Because our goal is really to honor God through wealth management and hope we can add value to you as we service you. God bless.